Hi everybody, it's Gavin here from Intraceuticals, and today I'm thrilled to show you another kit from the recently launched Daily Essentials collections. This one focused on anti-aging. Let's have a look inside so we can stop Father Time in his tracks. The first product within this collection is actually my favorite cleanser that we offer here at Intraceuticals, the Opulence Brightening Cleanser. It's got a rich, decadent, luxurious, creamy lather that effortlessly wipes away the remains of the day while leaving skin bright, clean and alert. Next up is a holy grail product from Intraceuticals, the Atoxylene Daily Serum. Designed to target fine lines and wrinkles, this utilizes the powerful potent peptide, acetyl octapeptide 3, to really communicate to that muscle wall and to the fine lines and wrinkles to relax, calm down, don't be so tense, don't grip so much. We don't need to see the tension in your face. Live that Instagram life that we're all pretending to. Guaranteed that when you use this product, people are going to think that you have the most easy, chill life of anyone in your friends group. Now, after the Atoxylene Daily Serum, we're then going to add two products, the Hydration Gel and the Moisture Binding Cream from the Rejuvenate collection. These are going to surge botanicals, vitamins, nourishers to the skin, adding balance and harmony and rejuvenation to your complexion while imparting that otherworldly glow that only we as a brand can promise you. Using medium weights and high weights of hyaluronic acid, you're going to be hydrated and moisturized from morning through night, working in tandem to really repair, restore, and replenish the skin. Last but certainly not least is the Collagen Booster Serum, one of my favorite go-to products. Rich and nourishing hyaluronic acid, but also combined with palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7, this collagen powerhouse peptide is going to surge volume and tone back to the skin, replenishing collagen and elasticity, giving you a more taut, awake, alert, youthful appearance. Together, these products work to provide you with the ultimate anti-aging tools that only we as a brand can promise you. And I guarantee you, this is going to stop Father Time well in his tracks.